Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the OneDrive app from the system tray, locate the cloud icon at the lower right and click it. Once done, choose Help and Settings, then Settings to reach backup controls. Make sure you are signed into the correct account because changes apply to that profile. If you intend to stop backing up desktop, documents, or pictures, get ready to click Manage Backup next. This step targets the app directly, so you avoid uninstalling or altering files unnecessarily. Now you interact with the Backup tab to stop automatic folder syncing. Click Manage Backup, then toggle off desktop, documents, or pictures for which you no longer want OneDrive backup. When the app asks, Confirm Stop Backup, this severs the automatic copy but does not delete the local files unless you choose to remove them. Make sure to choose Keep Files on this PC if you want unchanged local copies, or move them out of OneDrive folders if you plan to remove cloud versions. To finish, either pause syncing temporarily or unlink the PC for a permanent stop. You can pause for 2, 8, or 24 hours from the Help and Settings menu if you only need a short break. For a full stop, choose Unlink this PC, confirm, and OneDrive will stop auto backups for that account. Your local files remain. If something goes wrong, sign back into OneDrive and re-enable Manage Backup, or check the OneDrive Sync client for error messages to resolve conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.